Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries PROTO-TRAK model FHM7, serial number 121CY64368. This machine was new in 2012 and we're going to run it for you. The machine has a 76 by 14 inch table with 60 inches of X travel. You have 23 inches of Y and 20.5 of Z. This machine is a 40 taper with a power drawbar. He's running right now that Y-axis, which was 23. Now he's running it by hand. Again, that's a digital hand wheel. So the machine does have tracking, which is tracking. Control is a PROTO-TRAK SMX control. He's running the X, also with the digital hand wheel. And he's rapiding it. You have boxways on the saddle and the vertical. He's running the head up the column, again with the digital hand wheel. The control acts as a digital readout. He's rapiding it. And we're running the spindle. The spindle goes up to 5,000 RPM. Right now we're running at 1,000, you said? Yes. 1,000 RPM. 2,000. Machine's very quiet. 3,500 RPM. That's the power drawbar. Okay. Great. Thank you for watching our video.